Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious green roasted poblano salsa that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Delicious and amazing roasted chile poblano salsa. These are my few ingredients: pink Himalaya salt, or the salt you have at home; tomatillos, of course, 3 garlic cloves; chiles serranos to your taste; and 4 chile poblanos. This is everything we need to enjoy a roasted poblano salsa. So let's get started. Let me start here by showing you what I'm going to add to my skillet. I'm going to go ahead and take the skin off of the tomatillos, and I am going to lay them face down. This part takes much longer to cook, so I'm just gonna flip them over, leave them here while I continue with my 3 garlic cloves. If you love garlic like I do, add 3 garlic cloves. Smash them a little bit so you are able to remove the skin very easily. Well, here I'm removing the skin of the 3 garlic cloves, and now I have my chiles serranos. Yes, I'm going to remove the stems. I have about 12 chiles serranos. Of course, you could add more. Of course, you could add less. But let me tell you, this recipe doesn't come out that spicy where you are unable to really enjoy this green salsa. I have my tomatillos, my chiles serranos, my garlic cloves, and let's take it to the stove. And now I want to show you, I have my 4 poblano peppers. Yes, let's go get them nice and roasted. Right on top, I am going to lay them on the heat, just like this. I'm going to take my time and flip them over until they are completely roasted from every side. The poblano peppers really give this salsa an amazing and smoky, delicious flavor. Once you have them nice and roasted just like this, you better have a bag so that they go into this little bag and they start sweating. And this is the way you put your poblano peppers nice and roasted, because you want to be able to remove the skin nice and easily. And here I am flipping my garlic cloves, and of course the chiles serranos. Be very careful, you don't want to burn them. You just want to get them nice and roasted from both sides. And remember that tomatillos are the ones that take much longer time to cook. That's why we left the bottom portion to facing down. Let me show you. They're getting nice and roasted. And that's exactly how you want to see them. After a couple minutes, you're going to see that they already changed color. And they're getting nice and smushy, nice and soft. I'm going to leave them here. I'm going to be careful that I don't burn my garlic cloves. Once they're roasted from both sides, I'm going to remove them. Look at this. The tomatillos are already changing color. And now I'm ready to remove the chiles serranos and remove the tomatillos. Let me tell you, this green roasted poblano salsa goes with everything, any type of dish. The flavor of this salsa is so delicious and amazing that you're going to fall in love with this amazing poblano salsa. And here, let me show you how easy it is to remove the skin of the poblano peppers. With your knife, just scrape off all the skin and all the seeds, and just put the poblano peppers right on top of the rest of the ingredients. Let me show you how easy it is. Once you make this amazing salsa, you're gonna say, Cooking with Gloria really knows how to enjoy a roasted, homemade poblano salsa. Look how easy it is to remove all that skin from the poblano peppers. I'm going to continue getting the skin off of the rest of the poblano peppers, and then I am ready to blend away. I'm first going to add the tomatillos on the bottom of my blender, and then I'm adding the serrano chiles, the garlic, and at the end, I'm adding the poblano peppers. There's no need to add any liquid. Of course, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt is to taste. And now let's blend it completely. Like I said, no need to add any liquid. You want it nice and chunky. You really want to taste the flavor, the smokiness of all these amazing ingredients. Look at the texture. Really nice and thin. There was no need to add any liquid. And of course, I am going to enjoy it with some tortilla chips. Or you can make yourself a delicious quesadilla. Look at this. Oh, my mouth is getting so watery. This is always delicious. I'll see you in a bit. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this amazing smoky poblano salsa, like, subscribe, and share. And towards the end, you could add a little bit of cilantro and onion. I'm ready to taste. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing green poblano salsa. Nice and roasted, and the flavor, oh my gosh, amazing. Excuse me. Just delicious. It's not spicy at all. The flavor of the poblano peppers, oh my God, smoky, delicious. What else can I say about this amazing salsa? It's perfect for any kind of recipe you make, and you enjoy this amazing roasted green poblano pepper salsa. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing green roasted poblano salsa. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.